What's that falling out of the sky? Oh, it's a remote control Cory Carson from the Netflix TV series Toot-Toot Cory Carson. This is a big Cory toy. He talks, plays music, makes noises, and you take the controls. This is a large-scale vehicle, all custom painted with no stickers. Hi, I'm Cory Carson. Let's play together and you can move me around using the remote control. I can move forward or spin around in a circle. Are you ready to have fun? Okay. Gonna unbox him and let's see what he can do. Okay, I know how to take this car out. Got the remote out. And now for the car. I wonder, how do you do it? Ooh. And here is Cory Carson himself out of the box.
Oh, hey guys! I'm Cory Carson. Are you ready to have fun? Let's go!
Whoa!
Follow me! Let's play!
He does like a good drive and a good dance. Okay. And how do you make this?
Oh, hey guys! I'm Cory Carson. Are you ready to have fun?
Okay, gonna screw in the battery compartment for the remote, and now I'm gonna show Cory what he can do. reckon he's going to get really dizzy. And there's his name on the back bumper.
Dancing is my favourite. Woohoo! I'm Cory Carson, driving fast. Watch me go as I zoom past. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I like challenges. Follow me. Are you ready to have fun? Follow me. Go! Oh yeah! Come on, Captain Cory's here to save the day. Oh hey guys, I'm Cory Carson. Where do I start? I call this move the Cory. Let's go, me and you, racing down the road. Oh yeah! We've got this. I'm Cory Carson, driving fast. Watch me go as I zoom past. Oh yeah!
Maybe I'm going to...
This way, follow me. Over here. It's time to take care of business. Vroom vroom.
This is just like in an amusement ride.
Oh yeah! Vroom vroom! Woohoo! Dancing is my favourite! Woohoo!
And those are most of Cory's phrases. And as he talks and sings, his windshield lights up.
Look at me go! Oh yeah! Let's play! Woohoo! Looking good!
Here is the remote. It is also plastic with no stickers. In order for Cory to drive forward, just press this button. In order to make Cory do a reverse spin, press this button. This is a great toy for your little ones.
Come on!
Probably a perfect toy to take to your local park too. That is if you have one. Wow! And another awesome voice performance by the one and only Jaden Latham.
Let's go, me and you, racing down the road. Vroom, vroom. We've got to keep moving. Go! Woohoo! This way. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! This way. Follow me. Over here.
He says lots of different phrases. And like I said, speaks in his iconic voice in the show. And trust me, this is such a great toy. Perfect for racing your other remote
Gotta
control
keep
toys.
moving.
That is, if you have more, that is. And anyways, I guess that's it from me. It was nice seeing you in Bumperton Hills. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more toy reviews, whether it's from your favourite shows or something else.
Come on.
Cory, we gotta end this video. Sorry if we can't show more of your tricks. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I also wish Jesus Christ a happy birthday.